Hello friends, my name is Rock. This is my first video in Clash Royale. This is out about attacks and win much more. Have the fun guys. This is basically strategy game. I am using this game from 2 years. I am not that much okay in this game, but I can make sure that how it can be strategy while playing this game. Please subscribe guys and support me, please. Next, this is cool guys, how the dragon has taken the I shall use which drop now, Valkyrie maybe. Yeah, Valkyrie. Next, Witcher and bomb. That is the first strategy in this game. We must use that. And the race spell, taking the fast and finite. How it is, please comment guys. I want to look how the comment was for this attack, and it is nice means say your good attack. Thank you. We'll do another attack guys. Let's start. Now the strategy is what should be, or the hug, baby dragon versus bomb, and the race spell. Oh, I must never use that. It is the waste of spell. Let's record guys. Check my videos and another much more serious and say Crash Royale videos. You are new to my channel means my name is Rock. I am from India. This is not my real name. My real name was Rakesh. I saw that how the game was and started to make videos and fun. That's it guys. Thank you. Let's back to game guys. Next time I will make COC video on the basis of war strategy. Please comment below the section. Make the video or else you are suck. Thank you. Guys, I can win this game or not? Please, this is live attack guys. I don't know other I win or lose, it not make any sense, but it is a strategy, full strategy. Want to look how spell show waste of it. Look, ooh, almost there, gone. Oh shit. Oh, this is very cool, guys. Last 10 seconds, I won the match. Thank you. Have a good time. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend?